Hi guys. Oh, firstly, sorry about the noise outside. There's some kids playing basketball out the front. They only ever start playing when I turn the camera on. And sorry about the lighting again. I've got my blinds shut because I'm still in my PJs and all the neighbours are out the front and I don't want them to see me through the window. So I've got a lamp on, but I think you can see okay. Anyway, I just wanted to share this pile of deliciousness with you. Look at these doilies, doilies, doilies. I'm a bit of a doily hoarder, and this is not all of the doilies I've actually got. This is only like a teeny little pile out of this ginormous basket. So I'm going to get rid of some and put them on my Etsy store. So I thought I'd just show them all, and if anyone's interested, you can just head over to my Etsy store. I probably won't have them on until like late tonight or tomorrow morning. It's around midday here in Sydney, Australia at the moment. Yes, and I'm still in my PJs at midday. So, oh my goodness, I've been running around like a crazy lady all day. So, okay. I'll try and be super quick, but I say that every time and I know I'm not, but I will try. Okay, let me get rid of this so it can focus on the one I'm holding. But I've got, look at these little guys. I've never seen these type before. All of these I found at op shops and places like that. So they're all pre-loved. None of them are new. But look, these are little crosses. I just love them. One's a bit smaller than the rest. But I've had these particular ones for quite a while. I was thinking of doing like a faith journal or something like that. But I always have all these ideas, but my to-do list is like pages long and just growing by the day. So I know I'll probably never get to it. So I thought I'd put them in my little Etsy shop and someone else can maybe do something with them. So they seem to be the same size, except this little guy is smaller, but they're so cute. Okay, so there's those. Sorry, sniffing again. And these little yellow guys, I've got 4 of these. And I don't know how old they are. I'm really bad with years, but I'm pretty sure these ones are older. So there's 4 of those, and I was thinking of probably putting them in packs of 2 in my Etsy store. I'm not sure yet, but you can have a look if you're interested. I'll figure all that out later. Those guys. These ones are hand embroidered. Really cute. So you can see the stitching on the back. They're hand embroidered, but it looks like this little guy they didn't finish for some reason. But I was thinking about finishing it myself, but I don't want to ruin it. It's only the little yellow bits in there of the flower. Oh, and those little pink bits that they didn't finish. But even without it, super cute. So there's those 2 little guys. Oh, these ones I love. See, this is why I hoard doilies, because they're so cute. Like, I really don't want to use them or get rid of them. But these ones, they're quite big. And look, they've got little blue flowers on top that are dimensional. They're sitting up. They probably need a little bit of an iron down to make their petals sit properly, but look, they're so gorgeous. I love these ones. And I think one of them has a little stain here. But that's okay. They're for junk journals and you can try washing them. These ones, I haven't ironed or washed them yet because I don't want to ruin them. I'm known for ruining stuff in the wash. But none of them smell or anything. Maybe they just smell a little musty from being in storage for so long. So there's those two guys. And this little guy, he's hand embroidered as well. But so neatly. My embroidery, there's like stitches and knots and threads everywhere. I'm really, really bad. But look, he's so cute, little bluebird. I love this one. But he was all by himself, and I did want to put things in pairs so that you know, I don't like to put anything in my Etsy store under $3 Australian because it's not worth it once the fees are taken out. But I don't know, I've put this little guy with him. I know he doesn't match, but he was all by himself as well. And I don't know if those are meant to be bluebirds or not, but I've put those two together. These guys, so these are a pair as well. These, they're like a off blue grey colour, more grey I think, but they're really cute. Okay, I've got to stop saying cute, everything's cute. Okay, these two big guys, now these two, they have some staining as well. This one has some pink for some reason, I don't know, some pink stains around there, and this little guy has a grey stain. But these are probably too big for a journal, so you'd have to chop them up anyway, unless it's a really big journal and you fold it over along the spine or something. But yeah, since a lot of them get chopped up anyway, you can just cover that with a flower or chop it out or something. That's the good thing about junk journals, you can put anything in there. Okay, there's this guy. I don't know if he is hand crocheted. I think he is because my grandmother used to do fine work like this. But he's really big. I think he's meant to be a bit ruffled around the edge. Oh, this one I love as well. This one I've been saving because I did at some stage I did want to do some, you know, mystery packs or something, and I was thinking about chopping this so that two people could share it, but I don't know, sometimes when they're really pretty I can't chop them up. And this one is hand embroidered as well, and it must take ages to do this sort of stuff, so it looks, yeah, it's so perfect. Sometimes I have a hard time cutting them up, even for journals. So then they just sit in my craft room forever. So there's that little guy, but you can cut him up if you want to. It's probably diagonal though because of these. Oh, this one I love as well. I'm going to say that about all of them. This one has some flowers with gold, orange. Look, it's so pretty. And these lines in there, don't know if you can see on camera, but they're sparkly gold. They look machine embroidered though. So there's two of those. Oh, this guy's really strange. He's a big triangle. Sorry, he's too big to see on camera, but he's just this great big triangle. And he's got purple. And this guy is hand embroidered as well. Look how perfect their stitching was in the back. I mean, there's a few little threads coming up, but that's just because it's old. So, sorry, I'm shuffling around. There's a little purple one, blue and pink. So you can get 3 out of this one if you were to cut it. Oh, this little guy has a matching. Let me get him. So there's this guy. And he's not a doily, he's some sort of, I don't know, napkin or serviette or placemat, I'm not sure. I think these were a set, yeah. So maybe that was a placemat and this was the napkin. I don't know. But look how cute that little flower is. And a big one. The little petals are lifting a little there. But you can just glue it down. Isn't that cute? Or if you want, put in the comment box at checkout and I can glue that down for you if you want. Well, you can actually I'll leave it because you can remove him completely off the fabric, I suppose. Maybe not, I don't know. This guy has some stains as well. But I'd imagine you'd just want to cut this little piece out anyway. Stain there. Don't think that one had any stains. So there's those two. And these guys. There's 2 of these. So it's plain with the little trim and just in one corner of the napkin. Actually, are these napkins? I don't think these are napkins. Maybe they go on a dressing table or something. Little pink flower, isn't that cute? So on this one you can use the flower and the trim around it. So actually there's 2 of those. And these ones were in pretty good nick. There's no staining, I don't think, on them. What else? Well, this guy needs an iron. He's all creased up. Now he's got quite a few stains. He's got one here and one here. But look at that. This is hand embroidered as well. I don't know if you can see. Sorry, I'm jumping around. It's 2 little kids on a seesaw. Oh, actually, my friend in America, he didn't know what a seesaw was when I said it. Teeter-totter, I think you guys call it in America, but we call them seesaws in Australia. So 2 kids on a seesaw. There's a tree there. Isn't that cute? I love that one. And he was all by himself, so I paired him up with this guy. Big flower. He's got a little stain there as well. That one I might be able to sponge out, I think. There's another stain there. And there's just some little napkins. So I might pair these guys up with something else, I'm not sure. But there's 2 of these. They've got little flowers on the edge. There's 2 of those. And there's 2 of these little guys. This one's really pretty. I love this one. Okay, I might leave it at that because this video will end up way too long if I keep going through some more. But I'll put these guys that I've shown into my Etsy shop sometime yeah, tonight or tomorrow. But if there's any that you want in the meantime, you can just message me through my Etsy store and I'll reserve it for you. I will tomorrow show some big linens I've got with beautiful embroidery on them as well. That I don't know if I'll cut them up or just put them whole into my Etsy shop. But if anyone, I'll show them first. If anyone wants them, just message me through Etsy because I have a hard time cutting them up. They're all so pretty. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.